Okay, I know it does not look anything like that picture up on the front here of this inflatable 8-foot-tall Santa here in southern Florida, but Christmas is coming even here. So I thought I would get this guy from my front yard, and if I'm gonna have him in my front yard, I thought you guys wanted to know about him, so I thought it might be helpful if I unbox him, show you what he comes with, and we blow him up, and you can see what he looks like, if he looks decent or not, so you know whether or not to buy him. See what's in the box. They all have essentially the same thing. Before I put away my temporary table here, they always have stakes and tie downs and an inflatable, in this case, an 8-foot-tall Santa. Let's blow him up, see what he looks like. All right, I had to move him back a little bit because he's gonna be 8 feet tall. He's gonna be out of the shot, so I moved back a little bit so I'm a little smaller. Okay. So he's blowing up now. While he blows up, I will tell you in advance, he's 8 feet tall, so I'm not so sure how he's gonna stand without all the stakes. It's a little breezy here, but not terrible, so he should stand just fine. Let's take a look at him. The material is pretty thin, but it looks to me like all the seams are nicely sewn. I can see his little face coming together, the little bag of stuff. It is a little weighted on the bottom, which is always helpful. I don't know if it's enough to keep 8 feet, really located, but we're gonna find out. Is he even in the picture? Let me go check it out. No. Okay, let me tell you about it. I'll come a little closer. He seems to be okay standing there. So he is a legit 8 feet tall. I am 6 foot 2 inches tall, and he is towering over me. As these things go, he blew up really fast like that. It's clearly a good motor in there. I was wrong. He is weighted. It is a little breezy. You can see him moving a little bit. He's not falling over. I have to say, it's a pretty good unit. I would give this is the new Doug rating. I'm gonna say, if you take good care of him, don't leave him up in crazy storms, take him down in the winter, I'm gonna give him a 3-year rating that he's gonna survive before he's gonna look pretty ratty and have holes and that kind of stuff. It's not like a real thick, heavy thing that's gonna last you forever, but it's not a really thin, crappy one either. I like him, he's good. I'm gonna enjoy having him in my front yard.